What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to join voice chat only servers in Roblox. So to join voice only servers in this case in Roblox, there are a few things or website that you need to visit. So we'll be using a very specific website here, in this case going to be Rollimon's. So you want to go to your browser here, search for Rollimon's, and from here we want to go ahead and open up the website. Now, from their website here, you want to go ahead and go to the game section here. Let's go to games. You want to go to game catalog. And from here, you want to go ahead and just search for the games that you want to like. For example, we have like Grow a Garden here. We have a lot, but let's go ahead and search one. Let's just see, like, please donate. Obviously, this is just an example for you. So you have please donate here. Let's go open it up. Now it should give you some information about the server or the game itself. As you can see there, game passes, badge, places, and servers. And yeah, let's go and choose the servers here. Or you can go choose the places here. As you can see right now, these are the places that you could view for a please donate. So it should show you that it has voice chat on it. So you want to go and just choose the one that says voice chat. Go and press on it. Should open up a please donate here. So you can go and click on view on Roblox. It should open up a new tab, which it should redirect you to the server that has or supports voice chat. So you can scroll down a bit here. These are the servers. You go ahead and click on join here if you want to join, but most of them are quite full right now. So you can go and just expand this and go to other pages and see if you can join. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.